Hello stalkers, welcome back to the channel. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. I think index as of now is a bit stretched to the upside and it's time for a correction. Why do I say this? One of the reason is obviously because RSI indicator and index are not agreeing with each other. Index is making a new high whereas RSI is sloping to the downside. It means a correction is due. At the same time we can see the rally started right here. So for the past 7 days we can see market is going up in a stretch without any pause or correction. Okay, let me clarify something. There are no chances from here that market will make a U-turn and go down to start a downtrend. No, market may come down to retest the support zones and then make a big move to the upside again. So this phase will be called a correction phase or profit booking in the market. Important support as of now is at 3485.20, and then we have minor support zones in between, and then we have 3418 as major support zone. So let's see how the market reacts tomorrow. That's it guys, thanks for watching, keep stalking.